Welcome to our comparison of two popular Midea dishwashers, the built-in MDF18A1AWW and the portable MDC22P1ABB. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen needs. Let's dive in. The Midea MDF18A1AWW is a built-in dishwasher designed to integrate seamlessly into your kitchen, providing a sleek look. In contrast, the MDC22P1ABB is a portable countertop model, perfect for small spaces like apartments or RVs. This difference in design significantly impacts installation and usability. When it comes to capacity, the MDF18A1AWW can accommodate 8 place settings, making it ideal for families. On the other hand, the MDC22P1ABB holds 6 place settings, which is suitable for smaller households or individuals. This difference can influence your choice based on your dishwashing needs. The MDF18A1AWW features a durable stainless steel tub, which enhances drying performance and longevity. Conversely, the MDC22P1ABB has a plastic tub, which may be less durable but contributes to its lightweight and portability. This material choice could affect your decision based on durability and maintenance preferences. In conclusion, both Midea dishwashers offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. The built-in MDF18A1AWW is perfect for those seeking a permanent solution with higher capacity, while the portable MDC22P1ABB is ideal for those with limited space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.